guys, what is up? It is Wednesday, my dudes. We got a P.O. box opening, fan mail. Y'all lit. Hey, y'all real for that. I fuck with y'all. We're gonna do a P.O. box opening. Let's get it. Oh shit. First box. Let's see what we got. Oh, dude. We got some Puma socks. Definitely gonna use these. Thank you. Amazon, thank you. And then we got some Dickie socks. Crew socks. Crew socks are the way to go. And yeah, next box. Next box here we have is from Amazon. Thank you, Amazon, once again. All right, let's see what we got here. Oh, you guys see this? Fram Extra Guard Air Filter. Fram Extra Guard Air Filter. 2 times engine protection. It's type CA4778. Thank you. What else is in here? We got a steering wheel lock. Thanks, Amazon. Amazon, you're the best. I don't know who let you have this money, but thank you for sending me stuff. What is this? Solar powered step lights. Garden Pathway Cold White. Made in China. Dude. Thank you, Amazon. Boom, boom, boom. This time has a Prime lettering. None of the other packages have Prime. Thank you, Prime, for sending me this. Let's see what it is. Open it up. It is Power Steering Repair. Guaranteed to seal and stop leaks, plus restores performance, adds protection. All right. I could see me using this. It's America's most trusted repair brand since 1947, dude. You know what happened in 1947? Because I don't. But I'm sure something happened. I mean, this happened. So yeah. Kind of looks like Gatorade. Wouldn't you want to drink this? Look how bright that is, dude. What? Might have to taste that later. Next package. Ba-ba-bam! Prime. Thank you, Prime, once again. I need... Yeah. Alright, let's see what we got here. Yeah. Make sure you guys get the little... Alright, let's see here. LED string lights by Adlon. Adion? Thanks for sending me lights. I'll find a reason to use them. These are Amazon Basics I can't speak. Amazon Basics dog waste bags with dispenser with leash clips. 900 bags. Dope. This is a pretty big box for bags. And then Gildan men's crew tee large. I'm actually not a large. I think my dad is. He's out there right now. These would be good use for him. So thank you, Prime. I'll go give these to him. Thank you. Next package. Actually, the last and final package. Blow, 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 blow. Here we got Advanced Auto Parts. Dope, dope. New name, new name. Let's open this bitch up. Let's see what we got here. Papers. We don't need that. All right. This is a CarQuest window lift motor. 47-1103. You guys can see that. I guess since this is the final open one, since this is the final package, we'll actually go ahead and open this one. Okay. Pretty cool. I don't know how to wire stuff, so this is gonna be an issue, but can't be too hard. All right. That was the last final package, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for all the support. Make sure you guys send more fan mail to this address. Somewhere. It's because there's a window, so you can't. Make sure you guys send packages. I love free stuff. I love when people give me free stuff. Not in person. It's kind of awkward because it's like, damn, why are you giving me this? But I like it whenever it's through shipping, because then I don't like see you face to face, and then I don't get like that little nervous. I'm kind of scared to talk to people, but you know what? Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Whoa, boom!